Today we have with us S. Dwarkanath sir. Sir has been appointed as the Additional Solicitor General of India. Sir, to begin with, I would like to ask your views on the exhibition at the conclave and about the ideology of His Holiness Pandit Maharaj Sahib Ji.
A novel initiative, and it's good that legal fraternity is involved in thinking about the rule of law and the rule of justice. So I just spoke with the Guruji, and he expressed his views that it should be rule of justice and not rule of law, and country should change towards that direction. So that's a novel idea, and it will have to be implemented someday or other, because justice is more important for people than enforcing law. So everybody should feel satisfied at the end of the day that they got proper justice, and in that direction we should move. This is goal, and calling all legal fraternity people towards that direction is a good indication to involve ourselves into that direction.
Does today's transition justify a shift from right-centric constitution to one where duties play an equal or a greater role?
True that we always ignore the fundamental duties enshrined in the constitution, and we are only asserting our rights. That is because we have mesmerized our people with all rights and forgotten duties. Nobody knows that there is some fundamental duties involved in the constitution, and no publicity, no importance is given to that, because people are only conscious about the rights and not the duties. So it's high time we should strike a balance between the two, so that people can also be aware of their duties than the rights.
How should courts recalibrate this balance between livelihood, trade freedoms, and state control during this period of constitutional transition?
Court is a mere tool for law, and it is the government, it is the legislature who tries to frame the law. So they have to adapt themselves to the situation, and for their own considerations, they can't change it completely. Many people think courts are having all the power, but of course nowadays there is judicial activism to some extent, but they also can't overstep their limits.
So I'll come to a short rapid fire round where I'll accept an instant answer. Rights primarily protect against the state or also regulate private power.
It is only against state.
Duties strengthening rights or weakening them.
It should actually strengthen the rights, but the perception is that it weakens.
Economic freedom under threat or adapting to welfare government.
It should be for welfare of the government.
Property as a constitutional right or a policy-driven entitlement.
It should be a constitutional right.
Judicial interpretation expanding the constitution or stretching it too far.
It should not be. It will only be a safe watchdog of the constitution.
So thank you so much.